Hello, today we're going to be reviewing OPOLAR's Digital Humidifier with Humidity and Timer Control, which has an easy touch panel with a large 3-liter capacity. It comes with a manual and a small cleaning brush. As you can see, it is very well packed. They did a good job with the packaging. It does cool mist, and it has sleep mode, and it's good for small and medium sized rooms. This is what the front looks like, and I'll spin it around so you can take a look at the way it looks all the way around. There's the handle to the water container. I'll lift it up here. Right there's the water inlet valve and the other valves to make this machine work. Right here, as you can see on the canister here, it shows you which way to open or close. Right now I'm going to fill up some water. Right now I'm going to put the canister back in, turn it on, and as you can see that red button down there, it's recognizing that the canister's in. And right away it starts steaming the mist. Right here I'm hitting the timer button, and it goes anywhere from 1 hour to 9 hours of use. The next button is the sleep button. When you hit that, it turns off the LEDs, and then you touch any other button and it brings it right back. It's just so while you're sleeping the lights don't bother you. The next button is the humidity button. After touching the humidity button, the humidity value will flash, and the humidity can be set between 45% and 85%. The next button is the mist mode. You can set it between low, which is mode 1, medium, mode 2, high, mode 3. Now is the obvious button, the power button. Using this button, you can turn the machine on and off. My overall outlook of this machine is it does produce quite a good amount of mist. It's very responsive. The LEDs are very clear to read. The touch buttons are very responsive when pressed. It's a very good, nice little unit. So I suggest anybody that's looking to buy a humidifier that they should look into buying this machine. It's very nice. Thanks for watching.